Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Wednesday, December 22nd, 2021. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. I want to do a quick update on the S&P today. I want to show you guys what we put out here yesterday. We had a pre-market open report before the open, obviously. And we don't have it here, but we quoted it. We had target levels for the higher resistance, and the key is 46.54 in red. And as you can see in our post-market close report, we were looking for 46.54, and we got a target. We got an actual of 46.51 within 4 points of a direct hit on our target. This was put out pre-market open for the target for the day, and you can see what the day did. So newsletter subscribers are getting this information in advance before it happens, and they're happy when the targets are hit. Speaking of newsletter subscribers, you can see our subscription services here that we have to offer. We have a 14-day free trial. We have video on demand. By the way, I'm going to update all these videos once a month. I'll do that between Christmas and New Year's. Lots of educational and trading videos in there. And of course, our monthly subscription, I think we're putting out at least one a day, except on Fridays, and 2 or 3 a day sometimes. Just depends on the market. I also want to show you guys where did it go there? Our awards and disclaimer over there. Make sure you guys can see all those words down there. Very good. Okay. Let's see, is there anything else? Oh yeah, we want to thank you guys for subscribing. Don't forget to hit the reminder bell and the like button. We appreciate your patronage to the service. And since the like button didn't show up, we'll give you a little picture of what it looks like. And it looks like that. Okay, without further ado, let's get into S&P analysis here. We're going to look at an hourly bar. There's the all-time high in the cash. The futures made a higher high, but we won't worry about that today. Okay, what we're looking at here, let me just map it out for you guys. And as always, I'll have pictures for you guys later. Okay, and we're going to do something like this here and this here. What we have forming here, if I can draw some lines, get a little trend line going here. Okay, we have A and C. Oh, come on, Dale, there we go. Make that work. Okay, that's roughly there. And then we can do the same for the top of our triangle, which appears to be a little bit descending. Let me move D up here and move this way. It's almost flat. This would be an ascending triangle with an ascending bottom and a flat top, or it's more like a contracting triangle with a descending bottom and an ascending top. Okay, but that's our primary wave count. That's what we're looking for right here. Okay, another lower high here in wave D, which we'll get to as far as price and time in a minute, and then a higher low from C to E to continue that trend line there. I want to get into, I'll just leave that up there. Let me get into a daily. I want to show you our top alternate count here. I think that won't bother anything, okay? Let's look at this from the 10.4 low. Let me get that in here a little better. There we go. We can count, let's do it, okay? We can count 5 waves up from this 10.4 low. We have a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5, okay? And then if we take a retracement of that, then we have a 618 retrace, I'm sorry, a 50% retracement between the 50% and the 618 there. So that could be the end of the decline right there. That's the December 3rd low at 44.95. Okay, that's our top alternate count. Then this would be, let me wipe this out and I'll get back to, let me move that and get back to an hourly, and I'll show you guys all this. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this out so it doesn't confuse anyone. Okay, and let's wipe that out too. Remove. Let's start from scratch. Okay, so in that alternate count where I just showed you up to that high, this is the end of the correction. Okay, December 3rd low. In that bullish count, we can count, I'll point them out here for you guys. Okay, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4 overlap, so it would be a beginning diagonal triangle. Okay, that's 5 waves up. Let's get a retracement, and I'll review all this for you guys. We're going a little bit fast here, and see that went past the 618. Let's throw in the 786, see where that lines up. Yeah, pretty close to a 786. Okay, so on a larger degree of trend, we would put in our 5 waves here. Okay, so this would be 1, this would be 2, and then we have, I'll throw 3, 4, and 5 out here. Okay, let's get rid of this correction because it is complete. Okay, we didn't want to do that. My apologies. And remove. Okay, so if that's 1, Fibonacci extension here, there it is, from the 12.3 low, and that would be 2, and that's off a little bit. Let's see if I can snug it up there. There we go. I have the actual numbers in the pick here. 3 equals 1 at 47.68, and a 1.618 at 49.14. Let me get into these picks here. Let's look at, this is exciting stuff here, okay? So we put the time spiral in there. We haven't talked about time spiral in a little while, okay? But as you can see, there's the 1122 high, 1122 right here. Okay, that's the beginning of it. We have a few spiral dates in between there, but the 12.3 low right here, 12.5 was on a Sunday, so the market did the best it could. It made a bottom or a low on 12.3. That's wave A down. Wave B up is at the 12.16 high, and so is the wave C low. So 12.16 made a high and a low, and I believe that 13th, let me double check myself here, on the, yeah, that was a Monday, so it had a slippage of 3 days on that one, okay? And then the next turn date is the 26th, which we know is a Sunday, and the market's on holiday on Friday the 24th, off on Saturday the 25th, and of course Sunday the 26th. So we're looking for wave D. If this spiral is going to keep identifying turning points within the triangle, then we might expect the next turning date, which is the 26th. It's a Sunday, so it would have to top or turn on the next trading day before, which is the 23rd, tomorrow, or the trading day after, which is Monday the 27th. And this line, if you extend it out, hits on those days in that price area right there, 47.26 to 28. So we're trying to marry price and time together. I know it's pretty much going out on a limb. Who does that, right? Well, we're trying, but we'll see if the math works out and the Fibonacci's and the Elliott Waves all align. But if they do, that's what should happen. And then if we extrapolate this out for the lower end of the ascending part of the triangle, the next date in the sequence is January 16th. Of course, that's a Sunday. So Friday the 14th is a trading day before, and Tuesday the 18th is a trading day after, because just like the 34-day spiral has a holiday in there, so does January the 16th has a holiday in there on that Monday the 17th, okay? So we're looking at the 14th or the 18th of January. That's all predicated on this at the top working out, okay? If it doesn't, then that's off, all right? But that trend line crosses on those dates on near 45.96, 45.97. That would complete the, we'll call it a contracting triangle. We'll see where this goes, but it should end up on that path. Okay, we'll see how that plays out. We have a day or the weekend into Monday to see what happens here if this D wave comes in. I want to look at the alternate count if we can. Let's see here. I think I have it here. There it is there. There's the all-time high. This low is the completion, as I showed you guys earlier. From that, I think it was the October 4th low up to this November 22nd high. That was about between 50 and 618. Here we have a 1 up, 2 down, 3 up. That 4 overlaps, so that would be a beginning diagonal triangle. Believe it or not, that happens beginning and ending more often than you would think. They're not that rare, but they do happen. Anyway, and that would complete wave 1 up at that 47.32 high on the 16th. Then we have wave 2 down. 16th was quite a day, down to 45.31. And then this should be wave 3 up, okay? It gains equality with 1 at 47.67 and a 1.618 at 49.12. Okay, that is the alternate count. A move above this, obviously, to one of these targets would confirm the count. A move below this low here, 44.95, would wipe that count out. Okay, we want to leave you with the primary wave count, which is over here with all of our nice little turn dates. We'll see how that plays out, okay? Everyone have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and until next time, take care, everyone.